What's going on, guys? Kyle Bradshaw from Nelson-Rigg here at Scooter West in San Diego, California. Today we're taking a look at this. This here is going to be our Defender scooter cover size large. This particular scooter is a Vespa Elite scooter. This particular scooter has just mirrors on it. It doesn't have a windshield, but if you did have a windshield, this little piece of fabric right here pops up. And as you can see, it's ample for most of the standard and up to touring size windshields for your scooter. Now, a key aspect to any cover, whether it be a car cover, motorcycle cover, or a scooter cover, is the fact that you want this cover to be able to breathe. You don't want condensation to get trapped underneath the cover. Now, while this is a water resistant cover, you're gonna notice two great vents on either side of the vehicle. This here is a mesh vent that's going to allow this cover to breathe perfectly while it's over your scooter. It's got an elastic hem at the bottom. It's got the elastic that goes around the bottom in order to keep this cover nice and secure around your vehicle. This is the large Defender cover from Nelson-Rigg here at Scooter West in San Diego. If you're looking to purchase a scooter cover, please contact Scooter West or visit nelsonrigg.com. Thank you guys for watching. I'm Kyle Bradshaw. Until next time, take care and ride safe out there.